Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coderslobby. So in today's video, we are going to see how to fill the empty cell with the above cell value. So let me show you the Excel file that I am going to use in this today's video. Let it be open. So as you can see, this is the data that we are having in this Excel file. And what we have to do is we have to fill this empty cell with the value box, and we have to fill these cells with the value envelope. And same in the case of destination column, we'll have to fill these two values with the domestic and these two values with the international, and same like this and this. So how we can do this using Linq in UiPath? So this is easy to do in the Excel, but how we can do it in the UiPath? So let me first do it in the Excel first. How I can do it? I'll press Ctrl G, go to special, select the blanks. Okay, and here what I will do, my selected cell is D2. Oh sorry, D3, and I want to put the value in this is D2. So let me press equal to D2, and I'll press Control and hit enter. So you can see this is how we can do in the Excel. So how we can do it in the UiPath? Let me just go there in the UiPath, and there we will try to implement the query for this. Alright, so we are in the UiPath studio now. Here first of all what we have to do is we'll have to read that Excel file. So for that I will use read range activity, and here we will pass the file path. So the file path is this variable, and the data table would be the dt input table. And let me just take the file path from here. Okay, and I'll pass it over here. All right, and let me just create the structure for that output data table. For that we will use the assign activity. Here we will pass the dt output, and here we will pass input dot clone. All right, and let me copy it. Here we will write our query. So for that we will use dt input dot as enumerable. Okay, dot select. Here we will create one function of x, and here we will use our output data table dot load data row function dot load data row function, and in this we will create one new object. All right, here, and we will write the value as false, as we don't want to remove the duplicate values. Copy to data table, and in this array we will write our column values. So let me just open the Excel file once again. Okay, so our first column is code. Okay, so I want x of 0 dot item x dot item 0 dot to string. Okay, and in the second column, first of all I will check if string dot is null or empty, and I will pass this value over here, and just change the column as 1, and I will check if it is greater it is null, then I will use one more if function. There I will check if the value of the index of that particular row is greater than 0 or not. So what I'm supposing over here is this, here always there would be the value at the first row. So if the value is if value is available at the first row, it will paste the value in the below cell as box. If it would not be available, then this would leave it as blank. Okay, so I will check if dt input dot rows dot index of x is greater than 0. If yes, I will choose this else I will choose this. Okay, else I will choose this value at the end. Okay, now let's write the code over here. And if the row index of that particular row is greater than 0, what I want is, I want dt output dot rows. In this I will pass the row index of this, row index of x minus 1, and here I will write dot item of 1 dot toString. Okay, so this is done. Let me just copy these two. I'll copy these two these two columns. Let me just comma paste. All right, here I just have to change the column. So this would be 2 and this would be 3. Okay, just this would be 3 and here would also be 3. This is done. Let me click OK, and I will use the right range activity, right range. For that I will use workbook activity and will pass the file path and sheet name as output, and let's add header dt output. All right, so this is done. Let me just close this file. All right, I'm just debugging this file and let it be complete. Okay, so this is done. Let me open the file. So in the output here you can see the box. Let me just copy this from here to sheet 1. So you can compare both the data tables. So in the type column, all the value blank cells get filled with the value box, and same in the case of envelope, and same in the case of destination column. So this is how we can fill the below empty cell value with the above cell value. So I hope this is clear for you. So if this is the case, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever we upload the new videos to our channel, you will get the notification first. We will meet in our next video. Till the time, bye bye.